working here? Ashakai, make provision. Yeah, I'm sure you're wondering, what is this video all about? What is this young man up to again? Is this the content I signed up for? Yes, you signed up for Ashakai, and I will give you a lot of Ashakai. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashakai. If you're old here, thank you for coming back to watch my YouTube videos. You know that I really appreciate that stuff. Okay guys, so in today's video, I have two guests that are going to be lecturing us alongside Ashakai on how to eat the legendary bread and beans, also known as Hewa Hagoin. If you're from the streets, you know what I'm talking about, understand?
Hello guys, my name is Ademola and I'm here to show you guys how to eat bread and beans.
What's going on guys, my name is YKB and I'm here to show you how to eat bread and beans.
If you can relate to each method, let me know. If there's a method you do not like, let me know. I'm trying to make survey on how we, how we embody. Okay, that's not the right word. Let's get into this video.
Okay. The first method I'm going to show you guys, I call it the hot dog style. And bro, this is actually a skill that you have to learn when you approach the agege bread. This is an average size agege bread. I can finish this one. Any normal person can finish this one, sha. So watch what I'm about to do. Future Talk say, I take the top of the Maybach. I take the top off. I take the top of the agege bread. I take the top off. So look at this. This is a beautiful platform for anybody to do whatever they want to do on. But this is what I want to do. Oh my god. See how that beast is looking so sexy. If you know the job beast, you know if you know what I talk about. So personally, I don't like to mix my beans. I like to just, take it as it goes. So I'm going to, mix a section so that the pepper that is on top will, pepper has some flavor. Now, the section that I have mixed, I'm going to place it on top okay, so, I said hot dog style. The way you build a hot dog, that's how you build this, but no ketchup and forget that P. Bon appetit. No, I don't be talking accent. You see it? So I'm even eating it as though I speak English, as though I'm eating a hot dog or a burrito. How many of us have a burrito? I need serviettes. Madam, can I get serviette, please? Who are you working here? Ashakai, make provision. Baba, serviettes. I don't know why you guys subscribe to this man. What's going on with you? That hot dog style bad. I wish to do another one, but because of we're in the video, we'll have to go to the next one, which I like to call paddle style. But what do I mean by paddle style? Paddle. The spoon serves as a paddle. Now listen to this. Watch this. I'm going to release a book, The Art of Tearing an Agege Bread. You guys can learn from it. It's very insightful. I'm on the 5th chapter. So what I do is I make this spoon act like a paddle. So I place the spoon inside the seed of beans. Stay with me. Then I use my bread to act like, this is not be both soup, but I use my bread package. Now, I've noticed a problem. I feel like I came up with this thing myself because I always try to eat bread and beans like this, but see how much beans don't fall. So what I do is I use my spoon as a stopper. Let's rename that to stopper style. Stopper style SS. Stopper style. I'll say back. So I use the spoon as a stopper. Look how much beans I got. Look how much beans I got. Are you okay? This small piece now, I can't use them. Pack more. If you are eating bread and beans with somebody and they use that style, Papa, make that they go. Share you feel. Make that they go. Share you feel. Supper style. So those are the two ways, the two techniques I used to eat my bread and beans. Share you feel. Thank you.
Hey guys, yeah. So my first method will be a much more traditional method, and you know, have your hands cleaned, and you simply tear it off, and you divide. It has to be a bit meticulous. And you take just a bit of your beans and a bit of your stew. Easy peasy. And yes, that's it for the start. It is much more traditional. You don't need a spoon, you don't need anything. Just sit down, get your bread, and enjoy yourself. That's about it. So for my second method, now I didn't invent this, but I'd seen someone do this before, and it's well, for this you need a spoon. Thank you. So yes, like I mentioned, I didn't invent this, but I saw someone do it. It made some sense because I felt, you have a child that needs to eat bread and beans and he's all messy with the old traditional method. Simply go here. This is early childhood. So all you have to do is take your bread into tiny pieces, drop, and take two more, drop. And now you have to do is pick your spoon and your bread. Make sure the bread pieces are not too big. This is a bit too big, so I use this. And easy peasy. You have both the bread and the beans in your mouth at the same time. Enjoy yourself, please. So that's it for my second method. And yeah, you guys should give it a try. You'll enjoy it totally. Yeah.
Alright guys, we are here, baby. So it's time for me to show you my own methods of eating bread and beans. So for my first method, I call this the collaborative method. I know it sounds weird. What do you mean by collaborative method? But let me tell you something. In this life, nobody became a success without collaborating with another person. Ask them. Ask Bill Gates. They did not do it on their own. So this method is so peculiar in everything that I do because I love collaboration. And right now we have an additional mende called plantain. I love plantain in beans because I feel like beans is too much to handle. So I like to put plantain to, understand what I'm saying? So this is how we go about this. We make sure that the bread is in, the same mindset with the beans. Make sure that all of them are, on the same page. We have iced tea out here. You put your bread in your mouth. The bread is here, but you understand this bread is just on its own. Tastes bland. But you have to bring beans into the it's making some sense. This beans bad though. Everything's in your mouth, I've not swallowed it yet. Plantain is the king of all foods. I'm sorry, plantain bad gone. Understand? Why you have everything there? You now add your this food. If you like sharp man, you put sharp man, but I like ice cream gone. Understand what I'm saying? If you're someone that don't like to collaborate with other people, you will fail in this life. And let me just tell you. Because when I just tasted, you want to cause orgasm. Honestly, I don't like beans, but It's too bad now. Let's join down quickly. I've not eaten beans in a very, very long time. I've not eaten beans. I don't think I've eaten beans this year. You should. You should. Collaboration is key. I promise you. And now on to my second and the final method in this video of how to eat bread and beans. I call this the sandwich method. I know that is what you are thinking. I'm thinking. You take your bread, you rip it apart. Be articulate and meticulous about it. Don't use knife. Use your hand. If you use knife, you are going to have problem. You have problem because everything will be flat. You need it to enter all the all this color. You understand? So that when the oil mix with the bread. I'm sorry for the Ajebota watching this video. Apologies. Understand? You take some portion of your beans and slam it right there. Oh my Jesus. Make sure that you spread it all around your bread. You need to have sufficient beans for your bread. Don't go and buy beans of maybe 200 and buy a bread of 300 and say that no, you need sufficient bread. You need to go everywhere so that when you are eating it, you will get a feeling. Do you know something? Make sure to add your plantain there. That is why it's sandwich. You understand? Make sure that you make everything to enter the bread. Yeah. That's it right there. We are getting somewhere. We need some oil. We need some oil in this pea. Yes. We are getting there. Okay, there is it. There we have it. You say that you are hungry. Olora burger. You are looking for burger up and down. When there is bread and beans and plantain, you will merge them together. Oh my goodness. Should we have seen the succulency in this bread? You are seeing how it's coming out. Bread and beans conglomerate. Then you dive in. Oh! It's too sweet. Make another for me. It's too sweet. Out of all the methods that you have seen in this video, please, I would like to know your best method. How you love to eat bread and beans. And if you agree with my method, the method that you really enjoy and how you like to eat your bread and beans. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.